Wow, guys. I'm dropping this stuff everywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about hair. This one is for all of my hair followers. It has been a hot minute. When I say hot minute, it's been months since I've done a hair video. In today's video we are going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. As you can see, my hair is no longer in braids. I took my hair out last night and now my hair is feeling so dry. Like, if you could touch my hair, it is not feeling, it's feeling soft, but it's feeling very dry. It's feeling quite a bit dirty because I haven't washed it. You can probably see a bit of, I don't know if you can see so much, but you can probably see a bit of build up. Basically, I just want to restore my hair, get my hair back to its pre-braid state. So this is what we're going to be using today. I just wanted to come on here quickly before to show you what my hair looks like. My hair looked a lot bigger last night after I'd taken out my hair, but obviously I slept with my hair, so it's kind of got a bit like round. But yeah, this is how big my hair is in terms of a length check, because we like to do these. When I stretched it out yesterday, it came out quite far, but I think because my hair has been folded up over the night, like, it's not quite where it used to be. But in terms of a length, yeah, you know, it's not grown, it's like there. Not bad. It's at my like third rib. I wasn't expecting my hair to grow that much because I didn't really take that good care of my hair this time around. But I'm happy that my hair is still growing. Anyway, guys, before I just ramble on and on and on, I'm now going to go and wash my hair. Then when we come back, we're going to talk about this deep conditioner. So I'll see you guys in just a second. I am back. My hair is washed. I've got a t-shirt on my head. I used the Born Beautiful Naturals Moisture Silk Sulfate Free shampoo. This is my all-time favorite shampoo. Before this shampoo, I hadn't shampooed my hair in about 5-6 years, but this shampoo is amazing. I absolutely love it. This doesn't strip your hair or anything like that. And then in terms of taking out my braids, if you guys wear braids, then this is the the bottle is completely ruined, but if you do wear braids and you want to take out your braids, this spray is a godsend. This is the Born Beautiful Naturals Knot Free Detangling Light Spray, and when you spray this on your hair, it just instantly softens the hair. It loosens up any knots. So I used this last night to take out my braids. This is just an all-round good detangler. So if you're finding that your hair is quite hard to comb out, hard to detangle, then a couple spritz of this on your hair and it will be super easy just to comb out your knots or any like tough areas. So these are the two products that I've used so far to get my hair to this state. Right now my hair is drying under here, so while it dries, I'm going to read out some information about this Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair Coco Cream Deep Conditioner. So I've got my laptop down here and I have the Aunt Jackie's website open, as well as the Murphy's Hair and Beauty website open. I got this from my local hair shop and I paid $4.99 for it. This is also $4.99 on the Murphy's website. My UK peeps, $4.99. What an absolute bargain. You get all of this. On the Aunt Jackie's website, this is $9.95. So for my American viewers, you can get this directly from the Aunt Jackie's website. But I'm sure if you just look online, you can find it for a lot less. So on the Aunt Jackie's website, they say that this is great for deep conditioning, softening dry and damaged hair. My hair is definitely feeling in need of a deep condition and my hair is just really dry. And then Aunt Jackie says, infused with carrier oils that pull nutrients into the hair shaft, Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair recipe helps to improve the look and feel of chronically dry, fragile tresses. Whether damage is from over-processing with chemical straighteners or colour, heat styling, braiding, that's me, or certain environmental conditions, Coco Repair is an effective remedy to help return hair to a vibrant, softer state. Especially good for 2C to 4C textures. And then in terms of how to use, they just say you should apply a generous amount to clean, damp hair and make sure that the hair is coated from roots to ends. You can also use this as just like a regular conditioner. If you want to use it as a rinse out conditioning treatment, then they say to just leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse as normal. And then they say you should towel blot hair afterwards. So I guess I'll just put on another t-shirt just to help, you know, soak up any excess water. And then on the actual front of the jar, this deep conditioner delivers nourishment throughout the hair shaft to stop damage and breakage. In terms of some key ingredients in this product, this has coconut oil, avocado, mango and flaxseed, and these help to repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine and hydrate dry, brittle hair, which is definitely where my hair is sitting today. It is feeling just very dry and just very unloved. It's my own fault for not taking care of my hair better while it was in braids. So now I'm gonna just squeeze my hair a bit more just to make sure that we're getting all of that excess water in. We just want damp hair, we don't want dripping wet hair. So let me just use the end of this just to give it a good old squeeze. Oh wow, you can even see just from having washed my hair, like my hair is black. Before it was looking a bit dusty, but I can see the difference just from shampooing. So we're already on the right track. Shrinkage has for sure set in. The sun is going in and out. Okay, thanks guys. So we're now going to get into using, as always when it comes to my hair, I'm going to section my hair into quarters, and then that's how we're going to tackle this hair. This smells delightful. This smells amazing. You guys know I'm a sucker for anything that smells good. This literally smells like heaven. I guess if you don't like coconut or coconut oil doesn't agree with you, then this may have to be a miss. But I know that I'm gonna love it because one, I love pretty much every Aunt Jackie's product that I've tried, and two, I love coconuts. The shrinkage is setting in. This is such a weird angle, but I want you to be able to see properly. This is what we're working with. I'm gonna use this section here. Guys, this smells amazing. This literally smells amazing. And the texture of this, it's got like a weird, and it's got a weird kind of like jelly, like a jellied cream kind of texture. And when I shake it, it's kind of like a jelly thing. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna literally dump my hand in like how I like to go. Dab that on. Because my hair is super dry, I'm going to put as much on this as possible. They do say to be generous with it, so I'm not one to disagree. I'm just gonna open up the hair to get inside so that more hair is covered. Wow guys, I'm dropping this stuff everywhere. I just want to make sure that as much hair is covered as possible, especially if, like me, oh god, especially if like me, your hair has been in braids or it's been in some kind of protective style and you just want to give it a real bit of moisture, like it's really in need of some moisture. And then I'm just gonna open it another way to make sure that everything is nicely coated. So one section done, and I'm just gonna twist it like so, and then twist it again, and then just gonna clip it down like so. Oh, that's nice. That feels real nice. And then we're going to repeat the same for the other sections of the hair. As first impressions go, this is really nice. This has a creamy consistency to it. It's kind of like the moisturizing I can't remember what it was called, but Aunt Jackie's has a blue deep conditioner that I'm not like, I like, but it's not my favorite product of theirs. So it kind of feels like that, a bit thicker, which I think is my favorite kind of texture. So it's not as thick as the Rescued Balm, but it's nice and creamy. And I think when your hair is dry, you do need like a creamy thing. This smell is so good. I don't understand people who don't like coconuts. Like, I love coconuts. I love eating coconuts. I love putting it in my hair. I love drinking coconut water. It's funny because I can't really see what my hair is looking like, so I'm hoping that I'm putting it on where it's actually needed. And just really to the end. Oh, my arms. And I'm just gonna do that again. Stack that in. Is that in? And then really with whatever's on my hands, I'm just gonna pop that back on the hair if possible. I'm putting on a lot, like I'm aware that I'm putting on way too much, more than is humanly necessary, but my hair is so dry and I'm gonna quench its thirst. And then next we're just gonna divide this again. Oh wow guys, I'm looking at this product again and I'm seeing that I've left out some crucial information. So this deep conditioner is sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil and no petroleum. So if that is something that you care about a lot in your skincare, so if that is something that you care about a lot in your hair care products, then this does not have any of that stuff in it. I think when it comes to my hair, personally, I do try to not have like sulfates and stuff in it, just because I feel like the sulfates just kind of strip my hair and make it feel really weird. So I try not to use products with sulfates in them. I don't mind petroleum in my hair because I feel like petroleum does add that extra bit of something. Like, I'm not against a petroleum product as long as it doesn't make my hair super greasy, but obviously I know there are some people who don't want to go near like parabens and things like that, so more information for you. If you could see my leg, my jumper, I've got this stuff all over me. If I'm honest, I actually could just use everything on my hands to do this front section. Oh guys, wasn't joking when I said I've literally got this all over me. Can you see that? My neck, don't want any to go to waste. So guys, apart from the fact that I am covered in deep conditioner exhibit and I've got a bunch on the floor, on my leg, all over, I really love this deep conditioner so far. It smells so nice. It feels like it is going to rescue my hair like never before. I absolutely love it. I'm a really big fan of Aunt Jackie's hair products in general, so I did have high expectations for this, and right now it's doing the damn thing. I really love it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and put a plastic bag on my head just to help activate this deep conditioner, because like I say, my hair is so dry and I want to maximize this as much as I possibly can. And then when I come back, I'm going to talk to you about what my hair feels like after rinsing it out. So I'll see you guys once my hair is all rinsed out. Okay guys, so I am back. My hair is rinsed. My hair feels so good. I have to say guys, if your hair is dry, if you've just taken out a protective hairstyle like braids, twists, anything like that, you want to repair your hair with something really like nourishing, moisturizing, like thick and creamy, that will really just elevate your hair in curls. This conditioner is amazing. I absolutely love it. I think this is just a testament to Aunt Jackie's. You can try any one of their products and you are almost guaranteed to love whatever they put out. So this gets a double thumbs up from me. Let me know down below in the comments if you have tried this deep conditioner, what your thoughts on it are. While I was rinsing my hair just felt so like spongy, and it really felt completely different to what it felt like before. So before, my hair was feeling a bit dry, kind of like straw-like, but while I was rinsing out my hair just felt so spongy. I could really just feel how like rich my hair was. It really felt completely different. I could feel my curls a lot more. It was literally like night and day. Completely, wow, my hair just felt completely different. So if you do have dry hair, brittle hair, you just want to revive your hair, give your hair a bit of something different, then I cannot recommend this one enough. The smell is also really good. I think right now I'm gonna let my hair dry some more, and then once it's less damp, then I'm gonna go in with my other hair products. But yes guys, that is all from me today. It feels really nice just doing my hair. Also guys, I think I had my hair put into braids back in August, and today is October the 3rd, so it's been almost like 2 months of me just not doing anything to my hair, and I definitely felt it on my hair. So it feels nice also just to come back with a hair video, because I know that a couple of you guys do follow me for my hair content, and I've been feeling quite bad that I haven't had any hair videos as such lately. So yes guys, that is all from today's video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about this product or about any of the other products I mentioned in this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And in the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.